How to use Siri to turn on auto answer calls on iPhone. Step 1. Get Siri listening to you by saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing and holding the side or home button if that Siri option is enabled. Step 2. With Siri waiting for your input, just say, "Turn on auto answer calls." Step 3. If Siri understands your command, it will confirm by saying, "Auto answer calls is turned on," and display a notification showing the setting enabled. Step 4. Once you've had enough of every call being answered automatically, you can turn it off just as easily. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn off auto answer calls." Step 5. Your iPhone will confirm that it's been turned off with the voice message, "Okay, I turned auto answer calls off," along with the notification at the top of the screen again.